Are you trying to eat more plant foods and want to do it right? Or do you wonder how to eat a healthy plant-based diet? Then look no further. Here are 5 essentials you should address to make your diet a success. 1. Transition gradually for digestive ease. Take it one step at a time, especially if you're new to this lifestyle. Your body needs to adapt, especially when it comes to the increased fiber intake. To prevent digestive discomfort, introduce plant-based meals slowly. It can take several weeks to several months before your body fully adapts. 2. Focus on whole plant foods. You do that by gradually incorporating more whole plant foods. Think of whole grains instead of refined grains. Whole fruit instead of juice. Don't change your entire menu overnight as mentioned in number 1. Use flexible plant-based diet meals and plant-based diet recipes that make it easier to transition. 3. Don't forget B12. Our society has a massive B12 problem. All livestock get supplemented with B12. If you eat no meat, you must supplement with B12. If you still eat some meat, please use a nutrition calculator such as Chronometer to track your B12 intake. Please take it seriously because B12 is essential for your nervous system. 4. Getting your iron the smart way. Plant-based sources of iron are non-heme and less absorbable than animal-based heme iron. While non-heme iron is less absorbable, the body can regulate it better, preventing potential negative effects of too much iron, which is linked to an increased risk of stroke and diabetes. There's an easy trick to improve the absorption of non-heme iron. Simply pair iron-rich foods with foods rich in vitamin C. Chronometer is extremely helpful for this. One superfood that contains plenty of both iron and vitamin C is broccoli. 5. Listen to your body. As you transition to a plant-based diet, your gut microbiome might need time to adjust. Be patient and lower your intake of foods you find harder on your digestion, such as legumes. Take it slow, don't worry. Start with these 5 things for a successful start. For a comprehensive step-by-step beginner's guide to more plant-based eating, check the description below.